Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, April 3rd. This is David, and I'm going to take a look here at the S&P 500, right? We got a pullback here from FOMC day to find support at a Voodoo snow line. That sent us back up and now through a Voodoo fire line, the most important of our Voodoo line levels. We pulled back here on Friday to retest it once breaking above and then continued up. Because of the importance of this level, I am going to give the benefit of the doubt to the bulls so long as we stay above. Now, I'm still going to want some pullbacks to add more to swing longs that I'm already in, but I feel pretty good about those longs so long as we hold this 4083 level. And you may have heard us talking about these new micro Voodoo line levels, which are suitable for trading on shorter intraday time frames, sort of the 0 day options that everybody's trading, all of those sorts of things. But the major Voodoo lines from the regular Voodoo line study set are still tremendously important. And we don't want to lose sight of these. Now, we can layer the micros in as well, right? Looking at, and there are really two sets of micros we have available. And you can see that we ended the day above, but rather precariously perched above this 4120 level, right? We came above it late in the day, tested it, and held. Nevertheless, right, while these are really day trading levels, so long as we stay above, the focus will remain up. If we drop below it, then I'm going to start looking to see if that pullback finds support at some of these short-term intraday levels, or right, whether we break below the 4083 level. And if we do, then I'm going to be concerned about more downside, as we just discussed. Now, there are two sets of micro Voodoo levels, and one of the interesting things is that the other set also has a rather important line at pretty much the same 4120 area. So again, on a very short-term basis, we could be susceptible to a visit back to 4083 if these break, but holding anywhere at one of these levels above 4083, I think will be support to use to look for additional upside in the S&P. Hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.